How long does it take you to write a business email? 10 minutes? 15 minutes? What if I told you that you could write professional, persuasive business emails in just 30 seconds using this one ChatGPT prompt? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt, how to use it, and how to make money with it. And the best part, I'm giving this away completely free. Stay until the end to see the full prompt that you can screenshot and use immediately. Let me ask you something. How many emails do you write every single week? If you're in business, it's probably dozens, maybe hundreds, and how much time do you spend on each one? You start with a blank screen, you don't know how to open it, you're wondering about tone. Are you being too casual, too formal? You rewrite it 3 times, you second guess every sentence. And what comes out? Something mediocre that doesn't really get the result you want. Here's what most people don't realize. Slow email writing costs you money. If you're spending 15 minutes per email and you write 10 emails per week, that's 150 minutes. That's 2.5 hours per week. That's 10 hours per month. That's 120 hours per year. If you charge $100 per hour for your time, that's $12,000 per year wasted on email writing. And your emails still aren't that good. What if there was a better way? What if you could write better emails faster? There is. And it's this ChatGPT prompt that I'm about to show you. This prompt turns ChatGPT into an expert email copywriter. You just give it the details of what you need, and it writes a professional, persuasive email in seconds. Not minutes. Seconds. Here's the exact prompt. I'm going to show this on screen for the next minute and a half so you can screenshot it or write it down. This is the foundation. You just fill in 3 things: the topic of the email, who you're sending it to, and what you want to achieve. That's it. Let me show you how this works in real ChatGPT right now. Let me show you a real example. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write an email about a missed deadline to a client. Watch how fast and how good this is. Look at this. It has a professional greeting. It explains the situation clearly. It takes responsibility without making excuses. It provides a solution. It offers a clear next step. And it ends professionally. This is exactly what you'd want to send to a client. And it took 30 seconds instead of 15 minutes. Now here's the money part. People will pay you to write emails for them. Business owners, consultants, sales teams, agencies, they all need someone to write emails. You can offer email writing services. Charge $100 to $500 per email. Write 20 emails per day using this prompt. That's $2,000 to $10,000 per day. Or offer it as a service. Write emails for a client for $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Use this prompt and you're basically printing money. Here's what I want you to know. I'm giving you this prompt completely free, but there's more. I create a new business and marketing prompt every single day. New email prompts, social media prompts, sales prompts, content creation prompts, all free, all designed to make you money. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. That way, you don't miss a single day's prompt. Like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe if you want daily money-making prompts. And comment below. Tell me what kind of prompt you want to see tomorrow. I read every comment, and I'll create the prompts you ask for. Thanks for watching. The prompt is on screen in this video. Screenshot it right now, use it, make money with it, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new free prompt. Thanks.